Hi, and welcome to the basics. Well done for making it to session 10. This may be the end of this journey, but it's just the beginning of your meditation practice. Over the course of the last 10 sessions, we've learned the foundational skills of meditation that will be so helpful as you continue on. We've really practiced creating awareness in our minds and bodies to connect to a greater sense of ease and calm. By now, I hope you've gotten familiar with the ways in which your mind is always changing and shifting. The more we practice, the more familiar it will become. As you continue with your practice, remember to leave your expectations at the door and just appreciate this beautiful journey as it unfolds. So let's get comfortable here. Settling in. You can be sitting upright or lying down, whatever feels right for you. And as always, beginning our practice with our eyes open to a soft and gentle gaze. And now, taking a few deep breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. On the next exhale, closing the eyes and feeling your body relax and soften, noticing the weight pressing down, connecting to the surface beneath you, noticing your feet on the floor and hands resting on your legs or by your side. And just settling into the body here, settling into the space around you, noticing the sounds in your space, and just allowing them to come and go. Bringing the attention back to the body now. And just taking a moment to check in, noticing how the body feels, noticing any heaviness, lightness, or stillness. And again, there's no right way to feel. So there's no good or bad feelings. Just noticing and getting curious what's there. And when you're ready, you can begin scanning down the body, noticing what feels at ease and what feels more tense. And also noticing your mood, the emotional quality of the mind, seeing what's present today, and then just continuing to scan down to the toes. Again, just noticing, not judging or questioning. And now, focusing on the breath, feeling the gentle movement of the breath, moving in and out of the body, noticing where you can feel the breath as it moves. Noticing the quality of the breath today, whether the breaths are long or short, deep or shallow. Just noticing. And beginning to count the breaths as they pass. Noticing when the mind has wandered, and just allowing those thoughts to come and go. Returning back to the breath. And again, just noticing when the mind has wandered. And now, just letting go of any focus, allowing the mind to be free here, letting it do whatever it wants to do. And now, bringing the focus back to the body, feeling that contact of your body with the surface beneath you. Noticing your arms, your legs, inviting movement back into your hands and into your toes. And just becoming aware of the space around you. Noticing any sounds or scents that may be present. And when you're ready, in your own time, slowly and gently opening the eyes. Before you move, take some time to really appreciate this moment and congratulate yourself for completing these 10 sessions. We may be finished here, but the journey is just beginning. There's still so much to discover and explore within the mind. I look forward to seeing you back here soon.